Hi, it's Terry. I have been maintaining 180-pound weight loss with low-carb, low-calorie, meat-focused eating since August of 2022. Hey there, it's Tuesday, and we're going to get our stuff ready for tomorrow. So let's get down here and get to it, man. Let's get on it. So what do I see in here? I see, oh, I didn't want to eat this for lunch. I want to save this. This is chili. Oh, I got plenty. I can wait. All right. So this was chili, by the way. We got chili for lunch tomorrow. And I want to make this. I want to do a rutabaga, my waffle. And I was going to go ahead and add the cornbread flavor to it. But I want to do it now. Let me make sure I have another one soon. Hang on. Okay, we're good. I got a chili set up for Saturday. So Saturday we'll try taking the waffle or the bega waffle, and we'll try that Saturday with the cornbread mix, flavoring, and see about that. So I like celery, but man, it's a hard thing to cut. I don't like all those strings. I know I watched Brenda Gantz. She says you're supposed to catch it and pull all the strings off, but that's a lot of work. We're going to do, here's a couple little pieces in here. There's one. All right, remember we got to use this up because it's going to go bad, so we got to use it up. All right, so now we've added some celery. This is the salad. I made a bunch this weekend. I'm not going to lie, y'all. I didn't record it. I just can't help it. I just didn't. I'm like, you know what? These poor people, they see me make salads every week. But I don't know. You all tell me in the comments, do you want me to record my salad every time? Or do y'all get sick of seeing it? I don't know what y'all want. I don't know what you people want from me. I'm just kidding. All right. Yes, I did. Just lick the edge. Alright. I ain't done that in a while. I've been acting all normal and straight until right now. So that is what is this? This is some Walmart I bought the bread and butter pickles, no sugar added bread and butter pickles, and then no sugar added relish. So that's what that is. What else? Well, we're going to add a few tomatoes. Let me see. Some of these were looking kind of rough the other day. I'll put in those. There we go. And now we need some seasonings for our stuffs. Come here, little fella. You got to season your salad, y'all. I didn't know about that till recently. But you want to season your vegetables. So we're going to use some Greek seasoning. Y'all know I love Greek seasoning. And then we're going to use, we're going to use some dehydrated garlic, or freeze-dried garlic, because yes. Then we're going to use some everything bagel seasoning. I've been kind of feeling bad for it lately because I haven't been using it as much. Then we're going to do just a splash of adobo and a pinch of paprika. There. So now we got seasonings in it. Okay, now from there, we're going to add our salad dressing. Now listen, Linda, listen. I need to water down my Thousand Island. This is the Walden Farms. Let me water it down. Hang on. All right, so here's what I got. I took this. This is my G. Hughes Polynesian and my G. Hughes Honey Mustard. And I watered it down and I put it in this big jar. I did that because one jar takes up less room than two jars. So I can put it in here and squirt it out better. But it's already watered down and stuff. So I did that. But hold on, because we all know I'm going to make a mess. When you pour something out of a jar, it just doesn't pour out very neatly. But anyway, so I need to refill my daily here. And I will tell you, do not put this Walden Farms Thousand Island or any Thousand Island into these little squirt bottles, because they all have like little cucumbers in them. And those silly things get stuck in your little spout. I found that out the hard way, and it's a pain in the rear. So I want a little mixture. I got the Thousand Island and I want to use it up. So I'm going to use a little less than 60 grams of my Polynesian honey mustard blend. And then a little bit of my watered down. Okay, a whole lot. It was a whole lot. I ain't even going to say the amount. Just know it was too much. And that's that. Just know it was too much. Just know it. So anyway, this was a little thick. I don't think I've added enough water to that. I'm going to put a little more water in this. Hang on. There we go. Y'all know I like my salad dressings thin, because then it gets on every piece of vegetable. I'm telling you, if you don't do that, you're missing out on stuff. Now I'm going to add a little more water to this one too. All right. Now we're cooking with gas. Now we're cooking with gas, y'all. Oh yeah, buddy. That's what the doctor ordered. So that'll get put away. Now, let's get our stuff. Yeah, we're just putting this away. We're not even going to discuss how much dressing I put on there. We ain't talking about it, so don't even put anything in the comments, because I ain't listening. I already know I done too much. So, let's get our stuff ready for work. Got my lunch box here. So I got my salad for lunch, and I'm going to have what is this? Chili for lunch, and an apple for lunch. And, hang on, that's sitting crooked. Come on, you got to sit straight. All right, my apple. Tomorrow's breakfast, I'm not going to make my I don't want to make it right now. So I'm going to have 1.5 burgers and cheese. Nothing wrong with the oatmeal or anything. I'm just not going to have it. So, I just don't feel like making it. So there we go. If I change my mind, I'll tell you. But anyway, I'm not making it tonight. I'm just going to have the burger and cheese. And so that's my breakfast and lunch tomorrow. And I will see you. You know what we used to say? My grandpa used to say, see you in the funny papers. And then you'd say, not on the monkey side. Or did you say on the monkey side? See you in the funny papers. Oh yeah, see you in the funny papers on the monkey side. You know, did you get it? Did you get it? So you'll be in the, some of you young whippersnappers don't know about, in the newspapers, they had the funny papers on one side. And so, anyway, so they'd be saying, I ain't even going to try to explain it. If you don't get it, then bless your heart, you ain't meant to get it. So, I'll see y'all on the funny papers on the monkey side. It's because we're a bunch of silly monkeys. That's why we're on the monkey side. Bye! Let's have a quick little morning check. Today's Tuesday. Hey, all right, I'll take that. Let me quit talking. Yay, there we go. All right, see you at breakfast. Good morning. We got our 1.5 burger patties and cheese. It's about 6 ounces of burger because they are the 1/4 pound patties. The ones I use are 100% beef. Get them at Walmart. Then I don't have to pad out burgers and all that stuff. We know I'm lazy like that. So, I had Creole seasoning on there this morning. So, all right. I'll see you at lunchtime. Bye. Hello, it's lunchtime. I have microwaved my chili. So, we got our chili. Ooh, I think it's going to be hot. I forgot the cornbread drops. Dadgummit. Well, nothing I can do about it now. Got my chili. And I got this hodgepodge salad here. Y'all saw me make that last night. A lot of liquid in there. Oh, I know. That's because I dumped the rest of the pickles juice in there. Or some of the pickle juice in there. And it had a bunch of seasoning in it. That's good. You know, got our apple. So, this message is for future Terri. Well, we tried to wean off magnesium just to see what would happen. And there were a lot of things that went down. So we're back on the magnesium. Some of the things that were noticed from going off magnesium, muscles were tired, like my legs were just tired, not sore, but tired. There was some anxiety and anger in the mornings. What else? Some chest pain. Although I do have a call to a cardiology, so we'll see what they say. But those are some things that I noticed. What else? Anything else? No bathroom issues. No. I didn't sleep so great either, but you know, I don't want to take magnesium just for sleep. But anyway, so back on the 400 milligram and taking it every day, every night. So we're going to just see how this works. So, yeah. So remember that, Terri of the future. So we're going to keep on the magnesium. I ain't going to change magnesium. I'm not going to go try a different kind because this one was working and I felt good. And now that I know how good I felt, sometimes you don't know how good you feel until you try to go off something. That was the case. So, anyway, so back on the 400. And we'll see if I need to go up to 800 later. But anyway, so yeah. So remember that, Terri of the future. Let's not wean off magnesium again. It really did a lot of good things for you. So, okay, bye. Woo-wee! It's been a busy day. We're home, and I've already put the spaghetti squash in here with the chicken Alfredo. I've already microwaved it for a couple minutes here. I'm going to add in one of these Laughing Cow cheese wedges. And but I think I'm going to microwave it a little bit longer just to get that cheese wedge to melt. Let me see. Unless it's melting. Well, it's kind of melting now. Well, I'm going to do it just another minute. I'll be back in one more minute. All right, I got it heated up. It's going to burn my little mouth. But you know me, I'm going to do it anyway. Yup. That's good stuff right there. I'm not going to bite the chicken yet because that's where it's going to be the hottest. And I do have a little bit of sense. Not a lot of sense, but a little bit of sense. There's a little cheese in there with that spaghetti squash. Some fruit. A few tomatoes. I gotta watch how I eat them tomatoes. My lips weren't all the way closed a while ago, and the inside just went out on my cabinet. Anyway, so that's my supper. Song. I was just thinking, it's fame. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly high. I feel it coming together. People will see me and cry. Fame. Remember. Does anybody remember that show? Was it a show? I think it was a show, not a movie. And then you got to work hard. That lady, it was about dancers going to school. And she had this stick and she'd beat it and she'd be like, you got to work hard. You got to sweat. You got to give it all you got. I don't remember all she said, but I just remember her saying, you got to work hard. You got to give it all you got. So that was a good movie. That was and probably an 80s movie. But anyway, so yeah, that was about the same time frame as the movie Flashdance, you know. What a feeling I am feeling now is believing. I am so What a feeling. I am driven now is believing. I am feeling now. Son. Take it through the night. I don't know. Anyway, and I ain't even going to ask Alexa. You're going to have to Google it yourself. You're going to have to ask your own Alexa. Hey, Alexa, play the song. Let's see. Flash Dance. You got to say, hey, Alexa, play Flash Dance. And she'll sing it to you. Anyway, and you have to look up the song Fame. Because that was a good TV show. So, all right, well, I'm done. I'm out. Hey, it's under 20 minutes. Good job, Terry Toodaloo. Bye.